Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we learned about the definition of natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. It means about the real number. So now we will start the exercise number 2.1, question number 1. And the question number 1 is, identify which of the following are rational and irrational numbers. So the first part is square root 3. So we learned about the irrational numbers. We learned that if we write square root p and p is any prime number, then square root p is irrational numbers. So square root 3 satisfies the definition of the irrational number, because 3 is a prime number, so square root 3 is a irrational number. We identify the first part. Now we will move toward the second part, and the second part is 1 by square root 2. We know that the rational numbers are the number which can be write in the form of p over q. If we say that 1 is p and 6 is q, so p and q both should belongs to the set of integers. So 1 is belongs to set of integers and 6 also belongs to set of integers. So the first condition is satisfied, and the second condition is that q is not equal to 0. Here q is equal to 6 and 6 is not equal to 0, so the second condition is also true. And the third condition was that the GCD of p and q should be 1. So we can say that the GCD of 1 and 6 is equals to 1. So the third condition is also satisfied. So we can say that 1 by 6 is a rational number. We have learned these three conditions for any rational numbers. The first is that the number can be written in the form of p over q, and p and q belongs to set of integers, and q should not equal to 0, and the GCD of p and q is equals to 1. So we compare these conditions with the question. So we can say that 1 by 6 is a rational number. Now we will move toward the next part, and the next part is pi. So pi is also a irrational number. The fourth part is 15 over 2. So first of all, the rational numbers are the numbers which can be written in the form of p over q. So it is written in the form of p over q, where p and q belongs to set of integers. So we can say that 15 and 2 belongs to set of integers. Both conditions are satisfied. And the third condition is q is not equal to 0 and q is equal to 2, so 2 is not equal to 0, condition true. And the last condition is the GCD of P and Q should be 1, and here the GCD of 15 and 2 is equals to 1, so we can say that 15 by 2 is a rational number. Now the next part is, fifth part is 7.25. So the 7.25, we can say it is equal to 725 over 100. We can divide it. We cancel it with 5. So it is 29 over 4. Now we will check that it satisfies the condition of rational numbers or not. So the rational numbers can be written in the form P over Q. So it is the form of P over Q. The first condition true. The second condition is P and Q are belongs to set of integers. So 29 and 4 are belongs to set of integers, and Q is not equal to 0. Q is equal to 4 and 4 is not equal to 0. Condition is true, and the GCD of 29 and 4 is equals to 1. It means that 29 and 4 are relatively prime, so we can say that 24 over 9 or 7.25 is a rational number. Now we will move toward the last part of question number 1, and last part is square root 29. We know that the square root of any prime number is an irrational number if P is prime, and we know that 29 is prime number, so we can say that 29 square root of 29 is an irrational number.